The 2028 Ford has been transformed into an absolute performance beast, blending classic muscle car DNA with an extreme wide-body design inspired by high-end arcade racing games. From the front, the aggressive carbon fiber splitter, blacked-out honeycomb grille, sharp LED headlights with subtle purple accents, and ultra-low slammed stance give it a bold, race-ready look that instantly grabs attention. Around the rear, the massive carbon diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and ultra-wide stance create a powerful presence that looks fast even while standing still. The side profile showcases muscular flared fenders, deep dish performance wheels, and an incredibly rich candy purple metallic finish that shines like liquid glass under the luxury showroom lights. Inside, the cockpit is built entirely around the driver, featuring premium purple leather, carbon fiber trim, digital performance displays, and modern technology that perfectly balances comfort and speed. The rear cabin continues the premium theme with sporty seating, premium materials, ambient lighting, and a refined performance-inspired atmosphere that makes every passenger feel part of the experience. This isn't just a modified Ford. It's a fully reimagined street machine that combines American muscle, luxury, and aggressive game-inspired styling into one unforgettable build.